Okay, wait. Do I just sit it down? I'm nervous. Do I just sit it down? Y'all, do I just sit it down?
Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
Hey friend, hey, it's Brittany Chanel back with another video. This time I'll be coming at you with something completely different. I'm going to try being the operative word, to install my own lace front wig based on just other tutorials on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I feel like I didn't see this so much, I gotta be able to do it. I mean, the girlies are making it look easy. So that's what we're about to try. I did go ahead and purchase this wig. It was $279, which we'll get to that price point in a minute. From Eunice. It was the Eunice dark brown balayage. Balayage? Let me know in the comments. Body wave, 13x4 lace. I did already go ahead and pluck. It came pre-plucked and the lace came tinted and everything like that. It's a human head wig, Brazilian unprocessed ombre highlight FB30. This is what she looks like. I went ahead and plucked. I tried to bleed the knot. I tried to do all that. Matter of fact, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to insert that footage here, and then I'll be back.
I never want to give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more.
Okay, so I got all my supplies. This is everything I picked up from the local beauty supplies. This is the things that the beauty gurus told me I would need it. I got my lace tinting spray. I got the bold hold from Extreme Crew. The hair something. The bold hold. Okay, everybody talks about this. I got a wax stick. I got an edge brush. I got a plug-in comb thingamajigger. And I got a razor. And of course I got the wig. So let's see what we can do. Oh, I need a cap. Don't we need a cap? We need to do the ball cap method. Oh my God, let me see if I can find one. A cap actually came in my box, so that's perfect. It is light skin, so thank God we bought the little tinted spray. So wait, do I spray the tinted spray before I put it on my head or after? I don't know, y'all. This is so much interesting. This is the wig I got, FYI people. I done plucked everything already. Look, is it looking natural? I'm so nervous. Y'all, I spent $300 on this wig. So me trying to install it myself and not know what the fuck I'm doing, it's really crazy. So I've tried to pluck it. Let me show y'all. Do I need to pluck some more? Is this a natural hairline? Y'all, it's so much that goes into this. It's definitely not as easy as they make it look. So this is the cap that my wig came with. And I just put this on. I got a big ass head. Wait, let me try to get this hair underneath here. And you gotta pull it over your eyeballs. I didn't see that. Okay. Okay. What the fuck do I gotta cut some holes. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh shit. Oh, okay. That eyeball is not. Okay. Y'all, if you know what the fuck to do, if you've done this before, please help your girl out. Okay. Oh fuck. This is, I can't breathe. Listen. Wait. Okay. Now I see why I've just started and I see why people pay $300 to install a wig. We're literally just getting started. So now this is my first time. I don't want to get it in my hair. But you know what? That's crazy because I put this in my hair. I don't want to get the glue in my hair, right? It's bad to get the glue in your hair. It makes your edges disappear, the girls say. I just realized something. Why is it making me look light skinned when I'm spraying this? Do y'all see this? Is that normal? Okay. Somebody who knows what they're doing. Okay. So how long do I leave this here before I let it dry? Wait, I need my blow dryer. How many layers do we do? Wait, shouldn't I have put some glue? I'm so confused. Okay, let's just do another layer. Let's just do another layer. Because we want that bitch to stick. We want it to give scalp. This shit has a strong smell to it though. I ain't gonna lie. It's wet as fuck. It's very wet. This is the got to be freeze frame. So it's finally dry. So what is the next step? Do I need to pull up YouTube? Okay, you said to still spray this stuff even though. Let me get a makeup brush. Do I still do a makeup brush with this? Listen, I don't know. We still spraying this stuff. It's a tint. To tint my lace. We still spraying it. Listen, YOLO. You only live once, okay? Who cares if we're following the right steps? Who really cares? We're doing this shit. YOLO. Okay, this. I got a shade a little dark. I'm looking a little dark skin forehead. It's okay. Okay, how's it coming? Is it giving? Is it giving scalp, y'all? That's what I wanted to give before I even put the wig on. I wanted to give scalp. Okay. Now it is getting very sticky now. I will say that now it's very sticky. Okay, now we about to cut it, right? I could take these scissors, right, and get close to it. I think I glued my forehead a lot. I really don't want it that down on my forehead. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm pretty sure I put too much. Like I put it all the way down on my forehead. And that's not the vibe. Okay, I want my forehead to live in its glory. Amen. Listen, I'm gonna have to pull this up even though it hurts. That's how I be pulling y'all hair out. I guess it's gonna pull my hair out too, shit. But yeah. I feel like, what else could they do? I don't know. How do you melt the lace? I don't know. I'll be sick though if I turn out bald-headed after this. That would be sickening to me. Okay, this is not what matters anyway, right? Fuck that shit. Now we're gonna do the glue, okay? We're gonna do the glue. I seen this and they said to put about 2 or 3 layers. You put the glue right here, right? And I don't want none of this on my hair, but I'm gonna get it as close as I can. Okay. This lace on this side is much better than the other side. I tried to convince my bestie to let me install one on her head so I could test. But she was like, bitch, nah, you ain't playing with me. And it's burning. Is this supposed to tingle? Is this supposed to tingle? Is this supposed to tingle? It's tingling right here. I'm gonna cut this off. You nice hair, if this turns messed up, y'all better send me some hair for free. Okay? Okay, wait. Do I just sit it down? I'm nervous. Do I just sit it down? Y'all. Do I just sit it down, bitch? Do I just sit it? Do I just sit it? No! Do I just sit it right there? Y'all. Alright, we're going for it. Okay, bitch. I don't got no forehead no more, ho. How the fuck? Hold the fuck up. Okay, is this why you cut it into 3 sections? They said they cut it into 3 sections. They said they cut it into 3 sections. Wait, bitches. No, I'm not saying bitch to be disrespectful. I think you guys are all amazing people. Okay. Wait, bitch. I think I might have snapped. Wait. Hold on. I think when it dry, I think it's gonna be alright. Even though it's a little white. I was supposed to let it dry all the way. Y'all know that. Y'all know I was supposed. I think it's gonna be alright. Even though my
never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the television.
Okay, guys, so I know I just sped that all the way up, but I think this is as good as we're gonna get. I don't really know how to do the baby hairs. I don't really know. I'm gonna sit this on here, let it sit for about a couple hours, come back and style it, do makeup. I'll do my makeup and everything. I'm not gonna film that for this. And then I will come back to style it. Yeah. Okay, bye. I don't know. Let's see how the lace turned out, and then we'll go from there. First of all, I don't look at my baby hairs. Those baby hairs are not giving anything. Look at the baby hairs are not giving, and they are so slicked down because that's how I did them. That was my fault. That was user error. We're not gonna blame the hair company for my horrible baby hairs. Okay. I feel like the lace did do a good job melting and everything. I didn't wait till it dried so that it didn't stay white, like all the beauty gurus said. I think it did a great job flattening out. I think that since this was my first time, I think I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 for my application. Wait, maybe I can fix it with makeup. Hold on. I'm gonna take some of my face, like my skin tone powder, and just see if I can get rid of this white stuff, because I didn't wait. I was impatient. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna just dab it on there, see if that gets rid of the skin tone powder. I mean, like the white parts that I didn't wait for them to dry. And I feel like that's definitely helping. I know for sure, like if I were to do my makeup, you wouldn't be able to see the lace at all. Like, you just wouldn't see it. So that is amazing. I just wish I did a better job at these baby hairs. But yeah, the girls on TikTok, the girls on Instagram, they lied. This shit took all day, and it definitely was not as easy or seamless as they made it appear. And that's why Mary had a little lamb. Look, this is me trying to cut the baby hair. Look at this long ass baby hair. Devil. Okay. There, let's just cover that up. Y'all ain't gonna see that. Let's just cover that up. I do think it's good hair. I flat ironed it on 400, and I of course I sprayed heat protectant with y'all. This one is my favorite. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want to see me try this again, do number 2? But yeah, comment down below if y'all think I slayed this or not. What do you give my first ever lace front install on a scale from 1 to 10? Peace.
Find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone